cell organelles which are present. Cell organelles which are present inside the cell. Cell organelles which are present in the inside the cell. Already we discussed. What is the cell organelle? Cell organelles are very minute structures. You can see with the help of only electron microscope. You can see with the help of only electron microscope. You can see. So what are the cell organelles? Can you tell me? First one is nucleus. Second one is endoplasmic reticulum. After that, Golgi complex. After that, vacuole, ribosomes, lysosomes. Okay, and tell me mitochondria and plastids. So these are the actually cell organelles, main cell organelles. You want to see these cell organelles, you have to do some experiments. So what should have to do? First one is, you want to see the nucleus. First you want to see the nucleus, what should have to do? Okay. First you want to see the nucleus, what should have to do? Some experiments are given here. First we will see the nucleus. First we will see the nucleus. What are they? To observe the nucleus, inside cheek cells. Inside the cheek, what? You have to observe the nucleus. For that, a toothpick we need. Ice cream spoon or spatula we need. Page number 3. Just after page number 3. And a glass slide. One slide you need. And a cover slip we need. On the glass slide, what will be there? One cover slip we need. And a watch glass. The glass which is watch glass we need. Watch glass we need. Needle we need. And blotting paper. 1% methylene blue. Normal saline. Glycerin and microscope. What are the chemicals we need here? First one is methylene blue. Methylene blue we need. Okay. So methylene blue we need. And the next one is we need glycerin. Okay, we need methylene blue and we need glycerin. So these two things are we need. Methylene blue and glycerin, these all the things are needed to find out. Not with this slides and cover slips, okay, watch glass and all the normal things, okay, normal saline water, okay, normal saline water you need, okay. So these are the 3 chemicals are needed. Remaining things are okay. Chemicals, remaining thing instruments, okay. Wash your mouth and scrape a little of the internal lining of your cheek inside your mouth. Take one spatula, open your mouth, just remove some amount of the skin inside your mouth, okay. Next, after that, and place the scraped material in a watch glass containing a very small quantity of normal saline. Place a scraped material in a watch glass. And keep very small quantity of normal saline. Normal saline you have to keep in a normal saline water in a watch glass. Watch glass is nothing but a cup-like structure. A cup will be there, bottom will be deep. Not a tea cup, it's a depressed man, okay. In that water will be there. That saline means some salt water you have to add, okay, salt you have to add. In that you have to take out the cheek and you have to keep inside. Place a material on the glass slide. Slowly take out that cheek mucus layer. Keep on the slide. Put a drop of methylene blue or wait for the couple of minutes. Take a methylene blue. Take a slide. In watch glass already what is there? Already cheek cells are there. Take and keep on the slide. Cover with cover slip. Before cover slip, you take what? Methylene blue and keep inside the water. Cover with a cover slip. Put a drop of glycerin over it. Not only that, methylene blue. Not only you have to add glycerin and yes. Place a cover slip. Place all the directions. Already in the lab we done. Okay, these are all the things. Next, place a cover slip. The cover slip with the blue end of the needle so as to spread the cells. Wipe off the extra strain of the fine clothes and the blotting paper. With the help of the blotting paper, just apply the blotting paper on the slide. Okay, what happens? The excess water will come out. Precautions. Do not scrap the cheek too hard, it may injure your buccal mucosa. So when you are removing the mucus, be careful. If you are means hole will come out, the blood will come out. Slowly you have to do. Scrapped material should be spread uniformly on the slide. Scrapped material, what should uniformly you have to place. And excess strain should be drained off. Excess strains like methylene blue and the glycerin, this will be strained. How it will be strained? Take blotting paper, just apply the slide example. Okay, just press all the dirt will be drained out. So there should be the air bubbles under the cover slip. Should not be air bubbles in the cover slip. So you have to apply. Okay, you have to apply. What happens? Air bubbles will come out. So observe the temporary mount under the low and high power of the microscope. Draw your observations in your notebook. Draw your observations in your notebook. First, what is the shape of the cell that you have observed? What are the shape of the cell? Generally different shapes will be there. Next, all these cell structures are similar to the structure of onion peel cells. Onion peel cells. Before actually you want to see, generally in page number 2, we are done observe the onion peel cells. Same experiment with the onion peels. Cut the onions, just observe. Cut the onions, just observe. Keep on the slide, cover slip and press all the direction, just keep in the microscope. Just here also you are observing that in the microscope. On the dark colored spherical. Question is, example, this is a cell. Cells are not in similar structure, different structures are there. A dark colored round structure which is present inside the cell. What is that one? Can you tell me what is that one? Nucleus. So by you want to observe means what are the chemicals you needed? Methyl blue and glycerin you need to observe the nucleus. And are there any dark colored spherical overlay dot-like structure near the center of the cell? It is a nearly center of the cell. It is nearly center of the cell. You have already studied about this dark colored dots in the cell. What is that? Nucleus. Okay. So this is the actually experiment already. So I explained about the nucleus. Already explained about the nucleus. This is the observation of nucleus. Next one we can see the next experiment, observing the mitochondria. Next one is observation of mitochondria. Observation of mitochondria. Observation of mitochondria. Observation of mitochondria. So, for observation of the mitochondria, what should I have to do? So, first one is make a fresh solution of Janus green B. First one is make a solution of Janus green B. Make a solution of Janus green B. Okay, mix 200 milligram Janus green B in 100 ml of the water. How much you have to take? 200 ml. You have to take 200 ml Janus green B in what? 100 ml of water. So these 200 ml of Janus green B mixed with 100 ml of what? Water. Next, take a watch glass, pour some solution. So take a watch glass. Already I told. It applies structure. So in middle depression is there, okay? Flat, saucer like, okay? So pour some amount of this Janus green solution. And what should I have to do? And these, put the onion peels, onion small cuts will be there, keep inside the solution. How much time? Half an hour. You have to keep in a half an hour, keep in that solution. What is that solution name? Janus green B. Next, keep a piece of onion peel on the slide and wash thoroughly water. So take some amount of the peel onion and keep on the slide and thoroughly wash with the water. Now cover with the cover slip. Take blotting paper. Press all the directions. And now you have to observe this thing with a high magnified microscope. Observe and make a sketch of same in your notebook. Compare with the diagram. Okay. So already the page number 7 diagram is given. Page number 7 diagram is already given. Okay. So compare. You have to compare the diagram. Compare the diagram with the page number Page number 7. You compare the diagram with page number 7. So observation of the mitochondria you have to observe. Take one watch glass, pour the Janus green tea solution. How you will prepare Janus green tea solution? Take 1 ml of Janus green and 1 ml of the water, mix it, keep in a what which that is watch glass. Water will be there now. Take the onion peel cells, keep inside the water. Wait for half an hour. After half an hour, take out that. Keep on the slide. Just observe under the microscope. You can do this activity taking of other available materials like cassia tora for cheek cells. Not only this, you have to take. You have to take one is onion peel cells. First experiment. Second one is onion peel cells. After second one is cassia tora. Second one is cassia tora. Third one is cassia tora. After next one is cheek cells. Next one is cheek cells. Okay. So these are the things you have to remember. Cheek cells. So these are the cheek cells. Cheek cells, cassia tora, onion peel cells. Onion peel cells. Onion peel cells. Okay. Onion peel cells, cassia tora, cheek cells. So these three things you have to take and experiment with this one. You may have observed green oval cylindrical grains. Green oval or cylindrical shape. Oval or cylindrical shape. What is the nothing but a mitochondria? So scattered in the cytoplasm. So already I explained about the mitochondria. So this experiment will show the mitochondria. Okay. Next we will see observation of chloroplast. Next experiment is observation of chloroplast. Just note down these points. Observation of chloroplast. Next one is observation of chloroplast. Next one is observation of chloroplast. Observation of chloroplast. Okay. Next one is observation of the chloroplast. Observation of the chloroplast. How do you observe the chloroplast? Take a peel of Rio leaf. First, what do you think? What are the things you need? Rio leaf. You need Rio leaf. You need the Rio leaf. You have to keep in a water for some time and observe under the compound microscope. It just very easy experiment. Take the Rio leaf, keep in a water some time, and you have to keep under microscope and observe that. You can see. You will observe the small green granules. A small green granules, in a cytoplasm. Small granules. Figure number 9a. We can see figure 9a. We can see. So small granules. How you can picture will be like that only. Okay. Small granules you can see in a cytoplasm. That is called you know what is the meaning? What is that one? Chloroplast. That one is called a chloroplast. That is called a chloroplast. That is called a chloroplast. Okay. Next, this is about the real. Second one is observing the chloroplast in algae. Second one is in algae. Algae is nothing but there is a greenish layer on the water. Greenish some layers will be there in rainy season. You can see that is called algae. Green color will be there. Okay. Collect some algae from the pond and separate out from the filament of them. Okay. So nacharam, okay, cheru is there now. Okay, nacharam, okay. So that pond and just collect that any green area and just take out that and observe under the microscope. Place a few filaments on the slide. It is a slide. Place some filaments on the slide. Just observe. under the microscope. Take a help of given figure and draw the picture of chloroplast. Suddenly you can see chloroplast in algae. Figure number 9b. We can see figure number 9b. We can see figure number 9b. We can see some of the algae they contains chloroplast. You can see small granules. A small granular structures you can see. Small granules you can see. Small granular structures you can see. Those are nothing but a chloroplast. Why they are chloroplast green color? Tell me. That contains what? That contains chlorophyll. They contains chlorophyll in their body, in their chloroplast. Okay. So this is about the observation of chloroplast. Next, observing the vacuole. Next one is observation of vacuole. Next one is observation of vacuole. Next one is observation. Next one is observation of the vacuole. So observation of the vacuole is nothing but how to observe the vacuole. Take a leaf or stem of any succulent plant. Tender plant, okay? That is called torch cactus. First one is torch cactus. Torch cactus. One plant you have to take. It is a succulent plant. 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 Means nothing but it's a very tender plant. Okay. Next. Take the cross section of the stem cactus in a watch glass container. So example na torch cactus is the stem. So cut stem, small portion of the stem will be there. So you have to keep in a slide. You have to take one slide, keep on the slide and just observe. State with the dilute safranin solution. You need which solution needed here? Which solution is needed here? Safranin. Safranin solution. Safranin solution. We need safranin solution. We need safranin solution to see what vacuole. Observe the section under the low and high power microscope. What do you observe? Take one torch of this plant, succulent plant, cut in a stem in a section, okay, in the containing water, okay, cross section, and observe under the microscope, and before adding the safranin solution. Observe the section under the low and high. So the large empty spaces present in the cells are large empty spaces. Large empty spaces which is present in the cell, that is nothing but a vacuum. That is nothing but a vacuoles. Those are nothing but a vacuoles, okay? So the large empty space which is present in the cell, that is nothing but a vacuum. You can see very clearly. They are fluid filled circular structures. Already explained this one. You know the things these are already explained. Now we'll see about the all cells are flat. Next we'll discuss about the, okay, these are the actually, so these are the things are nothing but explained about the, so different experiments to find out the chloroplast, to find out the vacuole, to find out the nucleus, to find out the mitochondria. So these are the experiments are there. So now today's experiment is today's homework. Today's homework is you have to learn experiments of to find experiments of to find the first one is mitochondria. Okay, first one is mitochondria. Second one is chloroplast. Third one is vacuole. And fourth one is nucleus. So these are all the things you have to learn, okay? So you have to learn experiments already. These experiments already we done, explained here. So those things you have to learn. This is the experiment for you. Okay, thank you children. Okay, take care of yourself. All the best.